Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show how to import and export Elementor pages. So let's start. So guys, first of all, you have to go to your Elementor pages in the template section. And first of all, we are going to export it. To show you how it export and import, just click on export template from there. You have to select the location where you want to save it. I'm going to save it on desktop. And then you have to delete this one and go back, and then you have to click on import template. You have to select the file. I'm going to select it, and then you have to click on import now. So as you can see guys, our page is imported, and by this way you can export and import your Elementor pages in Elementor. And I've been using Elementor free plugin. It means you can do these things in Elementor free plugin. And if you find our video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.